Understanding lawn soil tests. A guide for beginners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and practical topic in gardening: lawn soil tests. Understanding what a lawn soil test is and why it's important can really help you in maintaining a healthy and vibrant garden. So, let's get started. A lawn soil test is a process used to measure the nutrient content, composition, and other characteristics of soil. It's like a health checkup for your garden's soil. These tests can reveal vital information about the soil, such as its pH level, levels of key nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and its overall texture and structure. Understanding the health of your soil is crucial for several reasons. 1. Optimal plant growth. Different plants have different nutrient requirements. A soil test helps in understanding what your soil is lacking or has in excess, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments for your plants to thrive. 2. Avoid over-fertilization. Without a soil test, you might over-fertilize your lawn, leading to nutrient runoff and environmental issues. 3. Cost-effective gardening. By knowing exactly what your soil needs, you can spend wisely on fertilizers and soil amendments. 1. Collecting soil samples. Use a clean tool to collect soil from several areas of your lawn at a depth of about 3 to 4 inches. 2. Preparing the sample. Mix the soil samples in a clean container. Remove any stones, roots, or debris. 3. Sending to a laboratory. You can send your sample to a local extension office or a professional soil testing laboratory. 4. Reading the results. The test results will provide detailed information about the soil's pH, nutrient levels, and recommendations for amendments if necessary. Once you receive the results, adjust pH levels. If the pH is too high or too low, use lime or sulfur to adjust it. Fertilize accordingly. Use the nutrient information to choose the right fertilizer. Monitor and retest. Soil conditions change, so it's a good idea to retest your soil every few years. I hope this video has shed some light on lawn soil tests and why they're essential for any gardener. Remember, healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.